how to become one with money. In other words, how to channel money's energy. In other words, how to tune into the frequency of money. You have to understand that money is simply energy, and according to modern science, everything that you see the people there, the trees, me, is energy. So in other words, money is also energy. But now get this, it's energy, singular, meaning there's only one energy. So we all share that one energy. The same energy that is in me is in you. The same energy that is in these glasses is in you. The same energy that is in money is in you. So in other words, you are already one with money. Let me repeat that. You are already one with money. It's like when you look at the ocean, right, and you see all these different waves, like these waves, they all have different formations. They seem like separate, but yet they one because it's one ocean. And even if I take water, a drop out of the ocean, it's still the ocean. So now, with us as well, we are all one energy. The only reason why I'm different from you, and these glasses is different from you, and money seems or looks different from you, is because it vibrates at a different frequency. Now, you are already connected to money. You are already one with money. In order for you to experience more money in your life and abundance, you have to tune your frequency to money. So for example, when you take your phone right now, you will see there's a lot of Wi-Fi connections that you can actually access. There's loads of Wi-Fi connections that you can access, but you're already connected to those Wi-Fi. If you try now, wherever you go, it's all these Wi-Fi connections. I can connect to this, but in order for you to access the Wi-Fi connection, you need a what? A password, or you need a Wi-Fi code. So now you see, you're already connected to all these Wi-Fi connections. But in order for you to access it, to experience the Wi-Fi, you need a code. Similarly with money, you're already connected to money. You're already connected to money. In order for you to experience the flow of money and abundance, you need to connect or tune into the frequency of money. So in other words, you need the password, you need the Wi-Fi code to tune into money. So what is the password? What is the code? It's basically the frequency of money. What is the frequency of money? Worthiness, deservingness, it's joy, it's freedom, it's safety, it's security, it is abundance. So if you feel worthy right now, you are tuned into the frequency of money. If you feel deserving right now, you tune into the frequency of money. If you feel joyful, happy, and free right now, you tune into the frequency of money. Now, if you are struggling to make money, to attract money, to manifest your money goal, is because you do not feel worthy. Simple. You don't feel worthy. You also don't feel like you deserve it. You probably have a lot of rules in your head saying that, no, I first have to do this, and then I have to do that, and then after I have to do that. So you have a lot of rules to money. So money is like, oh, okay, well, do what you have to do. Just let me know when you feel worthy. Let me know when you feel deserving. You see? So again, let me repeat. If you are struggling to make money, if you are in lack, if you're struggling to attract money, it simply means that you don't feel worthy. You don't feel deserving. You probably also don't feel good enough. So your job is to tune your frequency. What is your frequency? Your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. You have to tune your frequency to the frequency of money. What's the frequency of money? Worthiness, deservingness, gratitude, joy, and on and on and on and on. So you can do that right now. Right now, I just want you to take this moment and feel worthy of money. Just feel worthy. Just imagine that you now have overflow of money. You have more than enough. You've already paid everything and now you still have more than enough. And feel that worthiness, feel that deservingness. By that, you're now tuning your frequency into the frequency of money. And that's how you channel the frequency of money. Isn't it wonderful? Absolutely. Now, if you need more help to tune your frequency into the frequency of money, we've got a money bundle that will help you. All you need to do is just follow exactly what I say. Follow that, and that will help you to tune your frequency into the frequency of money. You're already connected to money, but if you are struggling, it means that you haven't tuned your frequency into the frequency of money. It simply means that you don't feel worthy, or you don't feel deserving, or you're not grateful, right? But the good news is you are already connected. You're not separate from money. You just have rules in your head that say that you're separate, which is a lie. It's an illusion. It's not real. See? Isn't it wonderful? Absolutely. So have a look at the description. You can either book a free business clarity call with me or have a look at our money bundle as well. Money bundle will help you to tune your frequency into the frequency of money to make you feel more worthy, deserving, and good enough. And most importantly, grateful. So I'll catch you in the next one.